Now we're gonna get cracking on our sauce. 1 green lime. We're gonna roll it to break up the juices. Slice it in half. And squeeze it right in to our mixer. Use a fork to break it up. To help squeeze the rest of that juice out. There we go. We got a handful of fresh cilantro. Want to go right in to our sauce there. And then we got 1 avocado here, a very ripe avocado. We want a nice ripe avocado when it's a little squishy. Okay, and then we're just gonna go right around it. Like that. It's so ripe, she's falling apart. Look at that. Like that. Removed. And then I got a big spoon here, so we're gonna use it. And we're gonna scoop this right out and go right in to our bowl.